If you eat 2 bananas per day for a month, this is what happens to your body. Bananas are a great superfood which provide us with energy, make us feel full, and provide our bodies with the needed essential nutrients due to the high amount of fibers, vitamins, and natural sugars such as fructose and sucrose. This fruit is the top consumed fruit in the USA. Upon purchasing, bananas last for a week, but after some time there are black spots that appear on them, growing bigger and bigger, until the banana turns black. We think that they are rotten, and thus throw them away. Nevertheless, these dark patches are not a sign of rotting, but something very different. This is the sign which shows that the bananas actually ripen, and the more spots appear the better for you. The brown spots represent the TNF, tumor necrosis factor, and the higher levels of this factor are. This is a cancer-fighting substance that assists in fighting against abnormal cells in the body. TNF helps the communication between the cells in our immune system, guiding the movements of the cells towards the areas in our bodies that are inflamed or infected. A recent research showed that TNF from bananas can stop tumor cell growth and spread, causing apoptosis, or cell death. They are packed with high levels of antioxidants which strengthen the immune system and increase the white cells count. Through this way the body fights off infections and even cancer. Aside from these properties, bananas have other great benefits, thus you have to include them into your diet. This is why they are good for blood pressure. They are high in potassium, but do not contain sodium, thus they are excellent for the heart. They lower the blood pressure and prevent heart attacks and strokes. Heartburn. This condition can be relieved in a minute due to the fruit's natural anti-acid properties. Thus if in case you start feeling the symptoms, munch 1 banana, and you will momentarily feel better. Anemia. Anemic people can benefit from introducing bananas into their diets as they will be provided with iron. It stimulates the production of hemoglobin and strengthens the body supply. Energy. They give energy and are great pre-workout snack as they contain minerals, vitamins, and low glycemic carbs that increase your endurance, while the high levels of potassium prevents muscle cramps. Depression. Due to bananas being high in tryptophan which is converted into serotonin upon digestion, they can fight depression. Serotonin is the neurotransmitter that makes us feel happy, relaxed and in better mood. In case you feel down, take 1 banana and you will feel much better. Ulcers. Bananas are perfect for this condition as they are soft, mushy, and protect the stomach lining from irritation and acid. Temperature control. This fruit lowers body temperature and cools you off. This goes for when you feel hot or when you have a fever. Nerves or PMS. In case you feel stressed out or down, take a banana as it regulates the blood sugar levels and is rich in vitamin B which naturally calm the nervous system, making people feel relaxed and improving their mood. Constipation. The fibers they contain are beneficial for those who suffer from constipation as they stimulate bowel movement and relieve the symptoms.